This recipe today is for all you breakfast and brunch lovers like me. I'm going to show you how to make baked apple French toast. Yes, baked. There's going to be no pan to get out, no pan to grease, no flipping. Nope, you put all this deliciousness into a pan. You've got your sourdough bread, you've got your chopped apples, your spices, your maple syrup, your topping. Oh, it's so incredibly delicious and also good for you too. The bread I'm using to make this baked French toast, of course, is Stonemill Sourdough Multigrain Rye. This bread is traditionally prepared and naturally fermented using a unique sourdough starter. And what that means is it makes the bread super flavorful. There's no GMOs, it's absolutely delicious and very nourishing. The first step is to take all the bread out and you're going to chop it into basically bite-sized pieces. So you can either just rip it if you want, like this, or you could also use a knife to cut it. Then you're gonna need a nice big pan. Keep that handy nearby because you're gonna put all those bread pieces into the pan. Okay, our next step is the topping. We're gonna do our chopped apples, chopped raisins or cranberries, whichever you have, and chopped walnuts. All right, let's take all our apples. Just have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try and evenly distribute the apple pieces. And then you're gonna add your walnuts and your raisins or your cranberries, whatever you've got. Dried blueberries are nice too. Now we're gonna sprinkle our cinnamon and our nutmeg onto the rest of our ingredients. Okay, now let's make our egg mixture. So we have 8 large eggs. We're gonna whisk those together with our non-dairy milk. I'm gonna add the vanilla for some wonderful flavor. Okay, now let's pour our egg mixture over top of all of our ingredients. So while it's baking, I whipped up some coconut whipped cream, which is totally optional, but highly recommended. So good. Looks like it's ready. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. Look at that deliciousness. Breakfast, brunch, dessert, whatever you like. I have whipped cream on top of there. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Put a little maple syrup if you want. If my daughter's having this, she definitely wants more maple syrup. Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Wow, apple baked French toast. We have tons of fiber. We've got healthy fats in there. We've got some protein. This is great if you're serving a large group of people. But even if you're not, stored in the fridge for a couple days and you can just reheat it easily. So there you have it, everyone. My baked apple French toast with Stonemill Sourdough Multigrain Rye. So delicious, incredibly nourishing. I can't wait for you to make this. Have a joyous day, everyone. Bye.